Hello guys, thank you for joining me. As you can see, my face is half done. I filmed a foundation review on my YouTube. I'm going to link the foundation review on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check it out. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place X Fumi palette. So I decided to separate this video into two because I don't want the foundation review to be too long. Look like this is the packaging. I bought the set from the Juvia's Place website during the Christmas period and it just came. Very long shipping. And these are the sets look like. It's a blue eyeshadow, disco. But this packaging ain't throwing it away. It's so cute. No way. I will leave it empty and I will use it. I will add it to this I want to use today. So I'll quickly do my brows. This brush from what I call it, P. Louis is really nice. Oh, my brows looks good. I can't remember the last time it looks good. I actually cleaned it. Prime my eyes using the only one I use right now. This is by Gerardcosmetics. The Gerardcosmetics eyeshadow base. You guys know I have hooded lid, so you have to make sure you blend the crease right. Yeah, I want to try and recreate this look. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to try. Juvia's Place X Fumi palette comes with 4 shades right here. 1 matte and 3 shimmer. 1 matte. How do I do that look with just 1 matte? Anyway, I'm going to be mixing it with the Wahala palette. Wahala 2 palette. I'll take this shade right here. So as I'm applying it, it's diffusing, which is good. It's not bad. So I'm going to take the Fumi palette. I'm going to take the shade right here. This one, the matte shade. Just take that. Oh, the pigmentation on the brush is mad. Look at that. Oh yes. But it has a lot of fallout, so you have to be really careful. Oh my god, that is so nice. Look how dark that is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just blend that. Just complete this bluish theme I have going on. So I'm going to take this liner by Charlotte Tilbury. So the only con I would say I have on this palette is the fallout. It's not that it's not too much, but I'm trying to pack in the shade. The shade is pigmented, but there's a little bit of fallout, so I have to be very careful. Mostly if you're like me and you do your face first, apply powder underneath your eyes before going anywhere near this palette. Okay, so I wanted to use the shimmer shade. I might use it on the inner corner of my eyes to see how that stays. Yeah, I think the matte look, I like it like this. I don't want to apply shimmer on the lid. I don't want to do nothing. I don't even want to touch it. So all I have to do now, I need to blend out this. So there's no shade here I want to use. So I'm going to take a shade from the Wahala palette. That is it. In the Dance With Me from the Juvia's Place X Fumi palette. Too bold, is a bold look. Even for me, this is bold. I'm going to do a wing. Did she do a wing? Yeah, there's a wing somewhere. The OPV liner. This is not bad. If you don't say it looks good, I will tell myself. So I'm going to use this lapaigetrends lashes. So now that I'm done doing my eyes, this is how the eyes is looking. Not looking bad. I like it. So this is mascara by Huda Beauty. My face, I'm going to use the Hangover Setting Spray by Too Faced. Oh, this feels so good. I'm going to use Juvia's Place Sweet or Nothing. So I'm going to use this lipstick by Juvia's Place. So this is one on their red collection. I'm going to take the Fumi lip gloss on the collection, Fumi S Juvia's Place lip gloss. It looks like this. I'll just apply it on top of that. Yes, this is it. I like the shine. This is perfect. Just like on the picture, you see. Apply highlighter. I'm going to use this highlighter by laurageller. Gilded Honey. What is going to happen right now? This is the glow. In the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this one right here, the silver. Just take that. Yes. This is the finished look. As you can see, the eyeshadow really looks nice on the eyes, and the pigmentation of the eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow, is really nice. I would say the fallout was crazy, so be mindful of that when you buy this eyeshadow. I don't know if this eyeshadow is still available, because like I said, I bought it way long in December and it just came now. So let me know your thoughts on this makeup tutorial. Let me know what other suggestion you have at the comment section. And like I said, if you want to watch the foundation review, I will link it at the description bar. I was reviewing the Givenchy foundation, so make sure to check that out. So I have to go now. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Bye.
If I hate you, then find someone new.